Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video we will look at the other feature of Vsub, which is the split screen. So far I think all the feature on Vsub is fantastic. For split screen I haven't think of what to use it for yet, but let's take a look at the split screen and how does it work. So when I click on the split screen, they'll tell me to upload a video first. So I have one video that I prepare, which is over here. This is also generated by the Vsub previously using a AI video. I generated this ghost story, so I'm going to upload this back, but this one was without a subtitle. And we can take a look how does the split screen really work. So once you upload, you can only click on this continue button, and then they'll split the screen into two. First, the top part and the bottom part. The top part will be the video that you upload. So from here we can see that the top part is the video that I upload, and the bottom part is from the Vsub. So we can add in a background music if you want, and then we can change the bottom part to mine. Then you can upload your music over here, and you should, if you want your video to be viral, then always do some music. And then the other setting that you can choose is generate the subtitle. So generate the subtitle for 1 minute, because this is a 1 minute split screen. So let's generate, and normally the position should be somewhere at the bottom, but you can always customize the position of it. So we have generated the subtitle, and for the layout, then we can always choose the cropping position, all this, and then the style, we can change everything from here, the font, everything. So we can change it. Template, previously I've used this, so let's try something else. Let's try this. So you can see that the subtitle will be in this position, and then what other thing, we can always manage the emoji, all this over here, and then add in your logo. But for now I think I'm done, and let's preview this video.
Phantom of Broadway. In the heart of New York City, there's a place where time bends and whispers linger.
Okay, let me download this. So you can see that the top part is the video that you upload, and the bottom part you can do another screen. That means if you have two background playing, maybe one is playing Minecraft, the other one is playing, I don't know, some other game. So this is how you do a split screen video. If you want your subtitle, then you can generate a subtitle. If not, then you can leave it alone if you just want a split screen. So once this is finished, I will show you the end result. With that, I thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Let's take a look at the result.
The Phantom of Broadway. In the heart of New York City, there's a place where time bends and whispers linger. A place where the bright lights of Broadway hide a darker secret. Sound of footsteps echoing through a deserted alley, the hum of distant traffic. It was the year 1924 when a young actress, Violet Monroe, vanished without a trace. She was on the brink of stardom, until one fateful night, she stepped into a dark alley and was never seen again. Wind howls. A soft, eerie music box tune begins to play in the background. But some say she didn't leave. Some say Violet still haunts the theaters of Broadway, her spirit searching for a stage that never came. Late at night, when the lights dim and the city sleeps, she walks the empty halls of the theater, her footsteps echoing, waiting for her performance that never was. The sound of a door creaks open.
So thank you everyone. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.